Hey, what's up guys, I'm back with another unboxing video. It's time to do unbox the Oppo Reno 14 5G. And guys, and this is the bigger brother of the Oppo Reno 14F, which I unboxed one day ago. So on the front it says Oppo AI, so we also have some AI features. So on the back we have some more specification, no specification, it says we have a 12 GB of RAM with 512 GB of internal storage, and the color I have is the luminous green color, same colors that we also see on the Oppo Reno 14F, and this phone is also manufactured in Pakistan, and also this phone is powered by new MediaTek Dimensity 8350 SoC, and this SoC it is really powerful, I would say, in this price range. So very excited to see what is Oppo has to offer in this Oppo Reno 14 5G. Now first let me remove the plastic with my knife as always, and this phone also available in other colors, but right now I have the green color. Once again we have a grayish box. In the box it is slightly different as compared to the Oppo Reno 13 5G. So let's open this box. So on the top it says make your moment. Let's unbox this envelope, aka mini box. So inside this box we have our quick start guide as well as a safety guide, as you can see, and we also have a silicone case which is a hard case, although in the sides it is soft. Now let's look at the Oppo Reno 14 5G in the green color. Let me show the green color. So guys, you can see here is the green color looks like, I gotta say, and the green color looks exactly the same as the Oppo Reno 14 green color, but this phone feels, I would say, slightly heavier because this phone has a aluminium frame as compared to we have plastic frame on the Oppo Reno 14F 5G. Also on the back we have a glass which feels, I would say, really good in the hand. This one also has a 6000 mAh battery size with 80 watts super fast charging, and with a metal frame with the glass back, this phone feels really premium in the hand. Now let's quickly boot this phone up. So Oppo logo now is here. So on the back we have a 50 megapixel optical image separation main camera. So the cameras it is massively improved. So inside there is our 80 watt super fast charger inside the box, which is a really good thing. 80 watt right out of the box. Here is our SIM injection tool, and here is our USB type C to USB A cable. No USB type C to USB type C, same as before. So now let's put all these things to the side and now look at the Oppo Reno 14 5G. On the bottom we have our speaker, USB-C port, main microphone, as well as our SIM tray. So now look at the SIM tray on the Oppo Reno 14 5G, and this phone also has a IP69 water and dust resistance. So looks like we don't have any micro SD card support. Instead you can use 2 nano SIMs at the same time. No micro SD card support. We have 512 GB of internal storage, which is massive. Once again, on the left hand side nothing except antenna bands. On the top we have more microphones, IR blaster, as well as another speaker. So here are the 2 microphones, and here is the speaker grill, and here is the IR blaster. So volume up and volume down rocker with a power on button, it is on the right hand side. Once again we have a completely flat frame, and the back is also completely flat, and this camera layout looks absolutely beautiful in the green color as well. I wish that I have some other colors like this one, and this color looks much better, I would say. On the front we almost have a 6.6 inch 1.5K AMOLED which can produce up to 1 billion colors. Also we have 120 Hz refresh rate. We also have a 3840 Hz PWM as well, so it is really good for eyes as well. Also we have a center punch, or overall you can see in the bezels it is looks really thin, which is amazing. So now let's quickly set up this phone up and then we will continue. So guys, here is the first boot of the Oppo Reno 14 5G. So now let's see the max brightness. We also have app market, which is not very good. So here is a max brightness. So you can see in the display looks really bright, especially for outdoor as well. You will not see any issue at all. Also we have center punch. Or overall, once again, I really like the display. So here are the pre-installed apps, hot games, hot apps also available, which is really disappointing. So let's go to the settings. The haptics, it is also feels really nice. So this phone is running on latest Android 15. Once again, no Android 16 yet, but also we have ColorOS version 15. We have a 512 GB of internal storage, only 26.7 GB it is already used. Also we have a Dimensity 8350 SoC. We have 6000 mAh battery size. Let's see the fingerprint scanner. We have in-display fingerprint scanner. The fingerprint scanner, it works fast, I would say. I like the fingerprint scanner position right here, but it works absolutely fast, and the haptics, it is also really good. Now let's see the refresh rate option. So you can see we have 120 Hz refresh rate. On default it is on auto. Also inside the screen resolution, it is on full HD. Now let's go a little bit higher, 1.5K as well. Let's look at the camera. So this is the main highlight of the Oppo Reno 14 5G. So in the back we have triple cameras. Actually we have a 50 megapixel optical image separation main camera. Then we have a 50 megapixel which is a periscope lens, which give you a 3.5x optical zoom. This is a telephoto lens. Also we have 8 megapixel ultra wide. I wish that we have 12 megapixel ultra wide at least. On the front we have a 50 megapixel f2.0 selfie camera. So here is the main camera looks like, and here is your ultra wide, and here is the 2x, here is the 3.5x, and here is the 7x, and you can go all the way up to 120x. We have a different focal length as well. The macro mode, it is enabled by default, which uses the ultra wide. I think in the video section we have a lot of features, like we also have ultra steady mode, and we also have HDR mode. Now let's see video recording size. So the back camera maximum shoot 4K at 60 fps, and the full HD at 60 fps also available. So here is the pro mode. Also inside the video mode, bokeh mode also available, and here is the portrait mode, which is also available with the 3.5x, even with a 2x as well. In the mode section, night mode also available, and here is the slow motion. So have a dual view video feature on. So now let's look at the front facing camera. So this one has a 50 megapixel. So you can see in the selfie camera, I would say looks one of the best in this price range. Let's see the picture. Let's see the sharpness, and the sharpness, it is also looks really high. I really like the colors as well. So here is the video mode. Let's see video recording size. From the front we also have a 4K at 60 fps, which is a really good thing, and the full HD 60 fps also available. HDR video also available, ultra steady also available, and the bokeh mode also available. Here is the portrait mode with the front facing camera. So in the mode section, night mode also available. And now let's talk about the battery size. Again, this one has 6000 mAh battery size with 80 watt super fast charging, and this one should give you at least 2 days of battery life on heavy use without any problem. And overall, I have to say regarding the Oppo Reno 14 5G, and the processor and the display, it is really amazing on this Oppo Reno 14 5G. Even the cameras, it is really solid except the ultra wide, and the front facing camera, it is also really solid. The only thing I don't like on the Oppo Reno 14 5G is the price. Yes, the price, it is little higher. This phone is costing around 1,50,000 PKR. I am expecting to see this phone under 1,40,000 PKR, but yes, this phone, it is little expensive, I would say. Overall, if you're looking for a good smartphone in this price range, I can definitely recommend the Oppo Reno 14 5G. We also have a lot of AI features, AI eraser like that features, it is here on this Oppo Reno 14 5G. So that's about it, and thank you so much for watching this unboxing and my first impression regarding the Oppo Reno 14 5G. So do let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and follow me on Instagram as well as on X, and I will see you in my next video. Peace out.